When your heating system stops working properly, you need fast, reliable service from experienced professionals. PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning provides expert heating system repair services throughout Philadelphia County, PA, helping homeowners and businesses restore comfort and efficiency during the coldest months of the year. Call our heating system repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a heating system repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning. What are the common signs that my heating system needs repair? Common warning signs include unusual noises, weak airflow, uneven heating, frequent cycling, higher energy bills, strange odors, and a system that fails to produce enough heat. Do you offer emergency heating system repair services? Yes. PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning understands that heating emergencies can happen at any time. Contact us if your heating system stops working unexpectedly, especially during cold weather. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our heating system repair has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your heating system repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.